Boom, back. Been busy last couple of weeks, just literally tying up loads of loose ends, doing loads of little jobs, little repairs, a few patio repointing and stuff. Just, yeah, loads of random stuff. There was no point in videoing it. So now we're back on a lovely little job. It's only a couple of day job, really. We're just putting in a sort of little gate. Well, it's a good sized gate, actually. It's about 2 sides to it, 3 foot wide. So it's about a 6 foot gate. Just a little sort of walk through gate into their sort of front garden. And then either side, there's just on the right side, there's a little bit of wall to repair and sort of curve up for them to make it look nicer. Yeah, on the left is just obviously a section rebuild. I think it's a sort of 3 meters or something. I don't really know, actually. It's not big at all. But yeah, no, just dry stone effect, lovely stone. It's a nice farm job. So they want it looking rustic and that, and that's what we like to do. So yeah, so it's a nice one. So yeah, let's go take a look at her. Righty, so here she is. So there was an old gate in there, so we just took that out. We took this section of wall down, the top of this wall we've took down, got it all prepped basically. The gate's going in either later today or tomorrow. So yeah, like I say, it's a 6 foot gate, so I think it's just going to go to where the shovel handle is. That's going to go there. The gate's there, lovely looking gate it is. It's got like the nice curves on it. And then yeah, we're just going to build this wall up same height up to obviously where the fence post is going to go, and then probably curve that up as well, so it's going to go straight, little curve, then to the gate, then sort of curve again up to this height, like so, because they don't really want to take too much down. It's a farm, so they just want it sort of just fixing and sort of keeping it as old. I think these walls have been up for a good couple hundred years or something, they were saying, so they're doing well, standing really well really. But like you say, we've got down to a good foundation there. The gate post is probably going to go probably where that stone is on the end of it, so we'll just fill this in with a nice load of strong cement and loads of little stone and stuff, get a good base on it. And then yeah, like I say, once the gate post is in, we can obviously build the wall lovely and flush up to it, and obviously then we're just going to put the post in here and then pin it to this wall. So yeah, no, it's a nice little one. So it's all prepped and that, so nice and easy. There's the gates there, so that's one half. So it's going to be sort of 2 of them, if you know what I mean, obviously on hinges. Yeah, no, it's going to look nice. Like stone's lovely, it's just old farm stone, but it's been obviously nice and cut and prepped before, like it's perfect stone really. So should go up, like I said, it's going to be dry stone effect, so just a bit of mortar in the back. We come here for 1 day last week, and did another little, we prepped all that ground and that, did all like, took the wall down that, and then we just took a few courses off this wall as well and sort of reset it, so that's looking nice now. Like, you can sort of see what the stone's gonna look like. It's yeah, we went down, you can sort of see the section we did along there, did a little bit more the other side, but that was just all loose, you see, so they just wanted like a sort of cement top on it, so rubbed it all down, so she's looking good. But yeah, no, so now we're on to the good stuff, like jobs like this, like the dry stone effect. Righty, got a big lump of cement there from the old fence post, so I think now what we're going to do is, obviously can't really get that out by hand like the other lot, so we're going to get, I think Pat's on his way with a cutter, and we're going to have to cut him out. Lots going on today, new tanks going in as well, so busy. But yeah, so on the agenda today, because I think until we get all this prepped and that, I'm not going to build up to the fence post basically. So what we're going to now crack on with is I'm just going to start building up to about this point and actually step the wall back, and then get that little section done, and then hopefully by the end of today or tomorrow morning we'll get the fence posts in, and well, gate posts, sorry, I'll get the gate posts in, and once the gate posts are in, we can carry on with the wall straight to it. Then you got it perfect, like it's a lot easier building up to, you know, a gate post already in, because then you got your perfect measurements, like so, because I don't know what hinges are going on there, what furniture and stuff's going on the gate, you see, so I don't know if there's going to be a gap between the post and the thing, whatever. But till our chippy bloke gets here, I'm just going to play it safe and step it back, and everyone's happy then, and that'll do for today, and then crack on with it tomorrow. Right, anyway, let's get a mix knocked up and get going. It's Cam.
I thought you said earlier.
Cam.
Not now.
Hi, Cam.
Hi.
Come on, Cam. At least give us a smile. Look. Doggy woggy. I love you.
Love you
Cam,
too.
I love you.
Love you too.
Look at this. So, we've got our muck. So we're going to get building now. So it's going to brush this off. There's some stuff in it. But look at that, eh? It's like a little pond. It was made by the farmer's grandfather. Just put a metal tub in there. But look at this. Look. This block stood up on end. Holding up that course of stone. I love that. That is what it's all about, and that has stood there for about 100 years. So there you go, eh? Eh? Building methods. Stick with what you know, eh? So yeah, what I'm going to do is obviously get up to about here. That side I'm just going to do as neatly as possible, but obviously it will be blind because they obviously want to keep that. But like I say, dry stone effect. This stone's pretty good anyway, so as long as I keep it nice and straight, it'll be all right. So yeah, gonna get going, get crack-a-lacking, and yeah. And jobs are good. Like I say, we're just using up a load of old sand we had from the last job, like, so not a certain mix, it's just what's that mix? About 5 to 1 in it. 5 to 1. Doggy. Right, anyway, let's get going. Let's get crack-a-lacking. She's going up well, getting to about a third. This side's quite hard because he's obviously, I'm having to do it blind. Cam's just snapped the line, so he's just sorting that out.
Cheers for saying that.
He's really good at that, you know, you are really good. Snapping the line, look at this bodger, look. Look at that, eh? That's, do you know what, that's a really pretty bow. You do.
Right.
Well, that's really good for someone that wears Velcro boots. Like Cam, I said, make the line level. Please just come back here and look at...
I had to tell from down there.
How is that? Okay.
I had it down low and then it didn't look right. So I was like, I'll put it up higher.
Oh, put a... Oh, bless you. No, go down, mate. Go down a little bit. Yeah, try that, and then just, I reckon that'll be spot on. You can sort of go with the coursing on that one. You can see it straight-ish. That's it. So Cam's just getting the line nice and level. That's it from this side. Is that spot on?
That's spot on.
Is it spot on? Ah, see? When you get the eye, mate, you get the eye. So that's about 550 centimetres wide. So obviously this one has got a few bulges down there, like, so I'm literally just connecting this into a straight line to this one, because obviously the gate's going to be straight. But yeah, no, it's going all right. This sort of goes, the coursing sort of slightly goes uphill, it's a bit sort of straight, but then uphill. But on this one I am just going to build it straight, because that's pretty much straight. But yeah, lovely. It's going all right. Well, if that's level, mate, look, so their coursing must be sort of level. It's running all right, isn't it? Yeah. It looks like it starts. Got a bulge on that bit. It's really good actually to look down the line on the camera. It makes it easier to look. Come here and have a look.
I might need to start getting my camera out.
Do you know what I mean? It makes it look a lot better, doesn't it? But yeah, no, as you can see, there is the whole wall sort of got, it's just when you build it. So really, I'm going to pin back that line to about there. Quickly go to that wall, Cam, please. Quickly see what it looks like. And then it's sort of on the first stone I've laid there, where the line's going, put the line up against that stone. See what I'm saying? Yeah, that's better, isn't it? Because I want to run straight now, basically, because obviously that is, you can see there's a bulge there, but that's just, we've gone a little bit further than we should have anyway. But the bulge carries on all the way down, so pin that down there so you got nice and straight, and then just do it by eye. Just have a sort of stone slightly curved, just where the old and the new wall meets. It will be a good one. But yeah, now we're cracking on. Sort of probably use this muck up, and then that's the day done, and boom, the day is done. So we got everything prepped, just got to the top there, well, that section there, so not too bad. Obviously double-sided, sort of built that as best I can, so I'm just slowly guiding it onto the old wall, but no, it looks all right, it looks good. So yeah, just tomorrow, obviously, hopefully these gates will be going in, get these gates in, get that gate post up there. I believe it's going to be about there, and I can connect onto it, obviously start the edge, and then obviously, you know, get the end proper, accurate, and I can then work back. Accurate, get the end accurate, and then I can literally work back, and then literally get that bit up nice and flat, and then jobs are good. And really got this little bit here to sort out, so easy. Alrighty, let's grab everything. I think we grabbed everything, and skedaddle, and bring on tomorrow. Let's get this baby up spot on.